Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be taking a look at STI's Staccato C Duo. So you could call this the next evolution to the Staccato C, and is a follow-up video to my first STI Staccato, which was the P. So you've seen this in a previous video, and it is still to date one of my favorite pistols. And as you can see, it's been shot, it's been used around, it hasn't been babied, and probably about 2,000 rounds through this one, 2,500 rounds. And I'll do a update video on the Staccato P. But this is a duty-sized pistol. Now moving back to the Staccato C Duo, this is an 8+2 9mm hammer-fired pistol. And the difference being with the Duo is that now it comes optics ready. So I'll walk you through that. You see the plate there for the mounting of the optics, and it has the long-awaited Gen 2 grip for the Staccato C. It's got the star for Texas. So as I give you some details on it, let me walk you around the pistol. The markings just says Staccato C right here, with the flag, which is a nice detail, especially because it's facing the correct way. Going to the left side of the pistol, it just says 2011, and of course this has been safety checked. Here's the steel mag. You got 2 of these, 8 rounds. Leave it out. So starting at the top, you have the slide, which is coated in the DLC carbon, diamond-like carbon finish in black. It's a 3.9 inch, and it has a 3.9 inch, I'm not going to take it apart, but so you can see it, it's got a 3.9 inch bull barrel, steel guide rod. Very well done. Look at the thickness of that barrel. Now for those of us that have a bit of an OCD, you can see the slight serrations. They're not only very positive, they're kind of sharp actually, but they're all matching the right angles with a grip. Very 1911 angled grip. It's got the mounting plate for your red dot. We'll go over that in a second. It's got a skeletonized hammer with texture on the top, and very positive texture. It's got blacked out rear sights. The focus catch up, there you go. With a front fiber optic red. I'm not sure if the camera will go there. No. But let me show it to you this way. All dovetailed. And these are Dawson Perfect Fiber Optic Impact Sights. The dual carry optics system is designed to accommodate the SIG Romeo 0, JP Point, and the Shield Reflex red dots. Now, with those sights, the plate that you mount the sight on will co-witness the rear sight with a red dot. So that's pretty cool that they did that. Moving down to the frame is a light alloy with a polymer grip, and this is designed to absorb and dissipate the recoil of the pistol. The pistol feels very nice in the hand. It is a high bore axis pistol for those of you that care about that. It's got a very large, for the size, get the optic to catch up. For the size of the pistol, it's got a very big and high beaver tail. It's got a single rail accessory, a single slot accessory rail, sorry about that. The trigger guard is very ample. It's got almost the same type of texturing that you see on the grip. It's got it right here on the front of the trigger guard. You got a bit of texture, serrations on the trigger shoe itself. It's a skeletonized trigger. It's got ambi safeties with serrations and a nice ledge for your thumb to rest, either right-handed or left-handed. The mag release is reversible. It is smooth and kind of small, but easy to reach. Now, you got to really work at it, but you can reach it. So keeping you, there's no serrations on the top, although you do have a flat top. And as you know already, the gun is unloaded. The trigger pulls at around 4 pounds. Sorry about the focus. Let me show you the trigger now. That's all the take-up that you have. It is smooth, smooth, smooth. There's nothing. You don't feel anything at all. And you hit the wall right there. And then just a minute travel before your break. And then your reset. I mean, you barely release it and it's gone. Instant wall. Just a wonderful, wonderful trigger. Show you again. Click. Boom. Love this trigger. Absolutely love it. So it's a nice pistol for concealed carry. Giving you a little bit more details. Bring it in closer. As I mentioned, it's a 9mm. It is 7.5 inches long. It weighs 25.65 ounces unloaded. It has a height of 5 inches. It has a width at the grip of 1.08 inches at the grip, and the overall width, including the safeties, is 1.5 inches. The fit and finish is beautiful. So I wanted you to take a look, first look, tabletop look here in this channel at STI's new version of the Staccato C Duo. And like I mentioned, 8+1 capacity. And what would you think about doing a head-to-head between the Staccato C Duo and Wilson Combat EDC9? Now, this is not a video for that comparison. Maybe if you want to, I'll do a video for that comparison. But look how similar they are in size. A little bit thicker on the Wilson. The camera's not liking this very much. I'm too close. But it is amazing how close they are. 8+1 capacity on the Staccato, 15+1 on the Wilson Combat EDC9. So if you want to do a head-to-head, let me know. I will do so. And let me leave you with a little bit of gun porn here with a Staccato C Duo, the Staccato P, and the Wilson Combat, if I can fit them all into the frame. How's that for a picture? Anyway, thank you for stopping by. I'm going to do shooting reviews of all this. Just wanted to give you the tabletop. Please remember that I upload new videos every Friday afternoon. And also I post a lot on my Instagram and my Facebook. So stop by there as well if you wish. And until the next time, God bless.